Environment pollution. Question 1. Consider the following statement about the classification of pollutants. 1. Qualitative pollutants are substances which are not normally present in the environment and are added by human beings. 2. Quantitative pollutants substances which are already present in the environment. 3. Pollution and health metrics. Global Regional and Country Analysis Report is released by Global Alliance on Health and Pollution. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. Consider the following statements about the thermal power plants, TPPs. 1. Thermal power plants, TPP, are allowed to use coal with high ash content. 2. Coal-based thermal power plants are responsible for 70% of total freshwater withdrawal by all industries. 3. New regulations in 2019 for TPPs make it compulsory to transport coal in covered vehicles. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. Neither 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Which of the following are the effects of ammonia pollution? 1. Eutrophication and acidification. 2. Formation of Hajj-like conditions. 3. Nitrification and denitrification. 4. Disruption of cell membranes. 5. Diseases like pneumonia and asthma. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 3, 4 and 5. B. 1, 2, 3 and 5. C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question 4. With reference to water pollution sources, consider the following statements. 1. When pollutants are discharged from a specific location, they are called non-point source. 2. Pollutants discharged from diffuse sources are called point source. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 both. D. Neither 1 and 2. Question 5. Consider the following measures to address water pollution. 1. Riparian buffers. 2. Water hyacinth. 3. Oil zappers. 4. Eucalyptus trees. In the context of measures, which of the above helps in reducing water pollution? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 6. Consider the following about in situ bioremediation process. 1. Bioventing. 2. Biopiles. 3. Biosparging. 4. Composting. Which of the above techniques are under in situ bioremediation process? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 7. Mycoremediation is related to which of the following given below? A. It is a measure to prevent water pollution. B. It is a type of bioremediation in which fungi is used. C. It is the hybrid of land farming and composting in protecting the contaminated site. D. None of the above. Renewable energy. Question 8. Which of the statements given below is correct regarding the luminescent solar concentrators? 1. It can collect direct and diffused solar lights and works even on cloudy days. 2. It is made using polymers and coated with organic dyes and quantum dots. 3. It is cheaper and generates greater amounts of solar power than solar cells. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding the onshore and offshore wind farms. 1. The onshore wind farms are more cost-effective as compared to the offshore wind farms. 2. Operation and maintenance of the onshore farms is easier compared to the offshore ones. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following factors regarding wind power. 1. Using turbines with shorter diameters. 2. Installation of wind turbines in higher altitude regions. 3. Stronger speed of the winds. 4. Denser surrounding air. Which of the factors above are responsible for enhancing the wind power generated? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 3 and 4 only. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding hydropower projects and biomass. 1. The run-of-the-river projects is effective in dealing with remote energy needs. 2. Biomass burning releases the same amount of carbon dioxide as that of fossil fuels. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 12. Consider the following statements regarding energy generation. 1. Methane-rich biogas is produced in anaerobic digesters. 2. Partial combustion of organic matter in limited oxygen is referred to as gasification. 3. Fuel cell-powered vehicles cause pollution with high energy conversion efficiency. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3. Question 13. Which of the provisions given below form part of the PM Kusum? 1. 10 gigawatts of solar or any renewable energy power plant. 2. Solarization of grid-connected solar pumps. 3. Solar projects are less than 500 kilowatts for the smaller farmers. 4. Solar power plants should not be established on marshy or pasture lands. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2, and 4 only. B. 1, 2, and 3 only. C. 2, 3, and 4 only. D. 1, 3, and 4 only. Question 14. Consider the following regarding hydrogen fuel cells. 1. A constant source for charging is required. 2. Cost efficient due to lower cost of the catalysts. 3. Generates electricity by way of a chemical reaction. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, and 3.